Good settings make your receipts, pricing, and security work smoothly. In this video, you will set up receipts, tax, currency, and a POS PIN. Open Settings and go to the Receipt and Printer section. Choose the printer that matches your hardware. You can pick a 58mm thermal printer for small receipts, or choose an 80mm thermal printer for wider receipts. You can also print full-size receipts on an A4 printer. Now decide what appears on each receipt. Toggle whether to show your logo at the top. Choose whether to print your address and phone number. Turn the tax breakdown on if you want it listed clearly. Add a friendly footer message, like a thank you note. Next, set your currency, such as Pakistani rupee. Choose whether the currency symbol sits before or after the amount. Set your default tax percent for your sales. You can turn tax on or off depending on your shop. Enable rounding so totals are clean and easy to handle. For security, set a POS PIN to protect sensitive actions. You can also change your account password from here anytime. Save everything, and your core settings are ready to go. In the next video, we will create categories and add products.